Hello everyone, my name is Asfa Tariq and in this video I will be showcasing my conversational AI. For this I have created a chatbot BiblioMate. This will be very useful in a library website or library app. This allows user to search a book by author, genre, subject and title. Also user can check availability and issue the book that they have chosen. Also the user can check for the library information that include branches and library timings. These are all the intents that I have created to make the chatbot work. The book font will display a book, will display different books of the author using images with text, that is the author name and the title name. Check for book availability. There is no intent if the user doesn't want to check the issue, they don't want to issue the book. Default message that appears as the user opens the chatbot. The endpoint is the default that if the user want to done that they're done or they want thanks, so default will appear. Get the book will retrieve the book from the entity to show the user if they want to check the book availability. Next, for issue the book, user can issue the book, and for library branches, it shows branches of library. Library information has to follow up, nor if the user doesn't want to know the library branches. If they want to know the library branches, then the other intent will work. Now let's look at the entities. These are the entities that I have created for genre, book title, subject, and author. Check for availability contains all the books that are available. List of authors, search by book title contains all the titles of the book. Now let's check the actual error chatbot. As chatbot up here, it shows a default message. It gives you the option to search for title, author, genre, subject, and check book availability, issue the book, library hours, and branch locations. Now let's first go with author. This requires user to type the exact name of the author to avoid misinterpretation. There are the books written by J.K. Rowling. To make visually appealing, I added book cover as well. Now let's search for one of the book. Search for this one. It asks if the book available or not. We can just copy this one. Book is available. It shows that a book is available. If they issue the book, with the library ID, it shows that a book is issued with library ID. Now let's search book by genre. Search by thriller. All the books, the thriller section, from thriller section. Let's search for a book. Now the option we don't check it first. If the book is not available, it shows a message. Sorry, the book is not available. Search for another book. So let's search for another book. And this book is available showing if they want to issue the book. If I say no, it will show a message that if you need any assistance, feel free to type. Now let's search by another option. There is subject. Let's go with history. Did the book related to history? Let's go with this one. Now to check availability. It should be available, not just available. So if you say no, if we give it exact issue, this one. Well, I didn't enter ID, so it gives this one. So entering ID is necessary. Now let's search by title. Let's search by one of a title. Search for this one. And then I have choose custom payloads. If I say no, I don't want to check, so it gives this one. Now let's check for the info book library information. It shows the timing. If I say yes, I enter the branches, it will show the branches. Now I want like it's done. So I say done or thank you or whatever. So it gives a thank you for using BiblioMate. Thank you. That's it for my chatbot.